Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor classes, and in this particular video I am going to discuss one practice problem based on the concept of list whatever we have discussed in our previous video. So the question says, given an array nums, write a function to move all zeros to the end of it while maintaining the relative order of the non-zero elements. Okay. So for example, our input is 0, 1, 0, 3, 12. Okay. So see, 0 is appearing here and here. These two zeros has to be shifted at the end while keeping or maintaining the relative position of the non-zero elements. The non-zero elements are 1, 3 and 12, and non-zero elements order should be unaffected. See here also in the output 1, 3, 12. Same like input non-zero elements 1, 3, 12. Just zeros has to be shifted to the end. And you have to write such code that you in your algorithm you should not use any extra space. Okay, that is, you must do this in place. Okay, in place operation you have to do without making a copy of the array. You can consider for the time being as list, no problem in that. Later I will discuss about array in Python. Anyway, you can consider this as list. So what we can do for solving this particular problem in place, that is with space complexity of 1. Okay, so what we can do, first we can have a count of zeros present in our list, in the input list. And then what we can do, every, that is suppose in our array n times 0 is present, that is frequency of 0 is n, then we will make one loop for n times, and each time we will remove 0 and we will append 0 at the end. So you know that remove method how it works, right? So suppose let me just copy this list and I am writing at L equal to, I am giving the list here. Now if I write L dot remove 0, what will happen? First 0 where it is appearing, that will be removed. So if I run, see, you will be getting 1, 0, 3, 12. Okay, now again you will apply L dot remove 0. What will happen? You will be getting 1, 3, 12. Okay, so if I suppose write L 1, 3, 12, I will be getting. Okay, so see here frequency of 0 is 2, so we have to remove 2 times. We have to do remove operation 2 times, and whenever we will do remove operation, simultaneously we can add zeros at the end, that is we can append 0 at the end. So as a result, what will happen eventually, all the zeros will come at the end of the list. Okay, as simple as that. So let me write the code. So what we can do, first we can take the length of our list as input from the user. So L equal to int input. Okay, then what we can do, we have to first take all the elements of the list as input. So we can define one empty list here, and then while I less than L, suppose m equal to int input, and then we will put that in the list append append m. Okay, right? And then for the next time I'll increment, it is I equal to I plus 1 we can write, or we can write in short format. I also taught you I plus equal to 1. Okay, so now all the elements has been taken, and then what we can do, simple, right? G equal to suppose list dot count. Okay, list is basically is keyword in Python, like we use list to convert a string to list. Okay, so better to take some other variable name. This is not good. I am taking nums, it will be better. So nums, and here also let me just make it nums. Okay, maintain proper indentation, and here nums dot count, we have to count how many times 0 is appearing. And then what we will do, again we will make one loop. I am using while loop, you can use if you want for loop also. Okay, while I less than g, that is we will traverse that many times. I equal to I plus 1 I am performing, and that many times what I will do, I will remove. So nums dot remove 0, we will that many times remove 0 and append at the end. So nums dot append 0, append will always append at the end, you know, right? So now we can simply print nums. Okay, so if I run the code, so let us check. So for this particular case, 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5, length is 5, right? So let me give the length as 5 and elements are 0 1 0 3 12. Okay, so 0 1 0 3 12, 0 3 and 12. Okay, so see what we will be getting as output: 1 3 12 0 0. That is two zeros which are appearing at index position 0 and at index position 2 that are now at the end. Okay, so using this simple code you can move all these zeros to end, and this perform we are performing in place. Okay, that is we are not making one extra copy in the nums array, only we are taking, that is nums in the nums list only we are modifying, right? So this type of questions sometimes asked in placement or interview process of different service and product company. Okay, so this is all for my this video. Same code I am going to post in the comment section. If you want, you can check there. And if you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment, and subscribe our channel if you have not subscribed till now. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you for watching.